Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and my daylight is fading, but my desire to do more of what I've just been doing is not. This is a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, and I am going to start by making myself a sky area, and who knows what that's going to be like, because I'll add more color after I spread what I've got. I'm going to try not to be in too much of a hurry, although that might not be possible at this point because I can see the sun setting outside my window. Just going to tap all of that right down there and the rest across the top. I did just use another black canvas to do this, and it worked out so well that I thought I would try it again. And ooh, that was a lot too. Well, that's a cool sky. This is going to be, since I changed the configuration of my studio, I haven't really worked on any canvases this size. Push it down across the top so it will deposit what's on the blade, hopefully. I definitely want some. Oh, and it's not open. I was going to say some purple flash. I'd really like them. I'd really like some purple flash. I've got a pair of tweezers, and they're nice and sharp. They're on the Amazon link underneath the link tree. The link tree is directly under the video. So that looks like the moon coming through the clouds. Neat. So I got the night sky I was thinking about, more or less. It's usually a little difficult to get the edges just right, even with a white canvas. But I was kind of hoping the black would camouflage the edges a little bit. I'm going to take all that paint right off my tile. Run it right down the edge. Try not to gouge. And if I need a little more purple flash, I'll give it to myself. Or a lot. Let some of that go right over the edge. Yeah, I like that. I also would like some more right there. I can't seem to cover that edge no matter what I do. Okay, well, I lost most of my moon shining through the clouds, but if I have to come back tomorrow and do a little more, add a little more to my sky, I will do that. So in the meantime, not feeling like wasting any paint at all, and knowing what's coming next is a Floetrol swipe, and we'll just continue right down this way. And I'm going to try to continue to expand my repertoire. And I'm going to make it easy on myself by covering everything. And I'm going to try and be kind of random. And I'm going to remember to use some black. And some white, and some copper, and some red, which is everything that I liked about my last one. I didn't use any gold, and I think I'm going to do that too. I still didn't find the black. Where's the black? The black is here. The black is back. Okay, I got it. I think I even put a little red in there. I mean, a little green. I think I'm going to put a little bit of green in there just because I can. And maybe a little of this green also. Come on out. And since we're already here, just have a go. Okay, so now I have a fairly large card, and I'm going to use to dip into my Floetrol. And I have one side that's kind of curved. I'm going to start down below. Did I put copper in there? I didn't. Okay. I really want some gold. There's probably going to be too much paint again. But I have a scrape dish to put my excess in, and I will try and cover my edges when I do that. You know what? I'm being called to something really weird. Doesn't matter. If it won't come out, it's not going in. There we go. Alright, there's my Floetrol. I'm going to start at the bottom. I said I wasn't, but now I'm going to. Because I can always go back over everything. That is the plan. I don't have much to scrape off of there. Gonna keep going as long as I can. Keep changing up my patterns and hope I get away with this. I want to use some of my paint now because there seems to be plenty clinging to the card. I have smaller swipe cards and I will use them. I think I'm still going to put some trees in this. I want to get my bottles out of the way. Oh, please. Out, 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 out of the way. I'm going to do some partial swiping with just some of the card. Go back and tap my edges. Rock slide. So, what do I need to cover? Once I cover what I cover, I will use a small card if I can find one. There's one right there. Cool. I've got two sizes actually, but I'm going to use the small one this time. Even though I like all of my shapes, I also would like the idea of breaking them up and adding some interest. I can't say that it's not busy because it's definitely busy. I'm going to take my other card. Is it the right way up? I don't know. No, there's a curve on the other side. So I'm going to put that on that side. Then come down here. Try and go as many different directions as possible. I really don't have much of any canvas left showing particularly, which was not necessarily a plan, but a good thing. I like to put some horizontals in with the diagonals because I definitely think these look like a rock wall. You could definitely drag some marks across. And now it's time to decide if there's anything else to go up here. I'd like some gold. And it'd be really handy if it was handy. There it is. Cool. It's handy until I put it down in the way. Okay, so I am going to do two things, and one of them is torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. And the other one is going to be to put some black paint, where was it, back into my little saucer. Could be Prussian blue too, or it could be dioxazine purple. And I'm going to give myself little green. Take some paint and schmutz it up. There's my green. I've got my card. I'm getting brazen. I'm trying to make bigger trees than I did the last time. We'll see how it works. I hope it's going to work. I'm going to take the smaller card. And I am going to grab my spatula because I like how that worked last time. Just going to give myself a whole little forest right on that bluff. They are very abstract and very stylized trees. But they do look like trees. Maybe more so from a distance. We'll see how I feel about that. Not sure the last ones weren't better, but hopefully I'll get better at this as time goes on. I think it helps if you don't put them straight across. You have to actually twist them all around. Cool! I think that's good. One of these times, one of these cliff bluffs with trees is going to get some moonlight. I'm not sure it's going to be this time though. I'm going to grab my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, number 3. Really want to put a moon in there. I really have that moonlight coming through, so I guess that's going to have to do for now. And in a pinch, I could scrape through the sky and still have black canvas in my background that would be good camouflage. So that's pretty cool. I could put a few dabs of silver in there, but I don't think I want to do that right now. I'm not sure what you guys can see. I do need to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I got 1:42 seconds left before I should reset my timer again. I definitely can use my skewer to make some of the tree trunks go down or up. Or to, am I doing that wrong? I might be. I better be careful because I like it. But I like the light through the trees too. Just pulling on that paint just ever so slightly in all kinds of directions. There we go. I could probably have a few more over there, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. But I am going to tell you guys I have over 91,000 subscribers, and I hope you watch. Tune in again. If you're new, please be welcomed. Views are definitely down, so if you give me a thumbs up and watch the whole video, and maybe watch when the notifications come out, it's a really, really helpful thing for me. Your comments are super helpful. You keep my morale boosted while things are a little bit weird again at YouTube. But I love being on YouTube, and I love being here for you guys. You guys inspire the heck out of me. I got some edges to touch up on my sides, but fortunately I've got some paint in my scrape dish, and I can do that. Underneath the video is my Teespring clothing, Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts, and then you can also find my link tree with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more, and Expressionist Art Studio Appreciation Group are all Facebook groups, and you can join to see tomorrow's video on Appreciation Group, or join to see the albums on the albums on Fans and Collectors, or go shopping on Totes and More. I want those to go all the way to the edge. I think that's going to happen when you're gone though. So, I want to see what's there. Look for the exhibition video on the end screen of any video. There we go, zoomed out as far as I can get. And if you are a contributor to the studio through PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically entered. And that exhibition video will show you what that month's prizes are in the monthly drawing that you will be automatically entered in. Yeah, I'm doing it again. So, what did I not tell you? Thank you very much for all the contributions that helped keep me painting all this time, and thank you very much for all the compliments, and I really appreciate you guys shopping my Amazon link where you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Look on the community board on my YouTube channel for tomorrow's video. And what else? What else is over there? Oh, 1,700 videos, going on 1,800 videos in the albums. All albums, created albums on my Facebook page. If you, excuse me, on my YouTube channel. Darn. If you have questions, please feel free to ask them. If you have a necessity for a link of any kind, I'm doing this for people who have a tablet who can turn it sideways so they can see the whole thing. So I'm going to zoom in sideways because I can. There's my cool trees. I'll be doing more of those. Let's go down here and see some of those cells, which makes a really cool, very patchwork looking. Oh, that's so interesting. Alright, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that I love you dearly. I'm glad you're here. I hope you come again. And check out my email address underneath the link tree. If you have any interest in purchasing an artwork, use the hashtag in the title of the video that you saw it in. Or let me know that you found something on my website if you're interested. And I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. So if you want to get in touch with me, I'm not that hard to get in touch with. Love you dearly. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.